If you're looking to pick up a pump sprayer for detailing, Marolex is the one that you want. They're the best out of all the pump sprayers we've tested, and that's why we decided to carry them here at Obsessed Garage. Just to talk about what they are pump sprayers. So basically you'll take the bottle off of the housing, fill it up with whatever chemical you'd like, and then you pump the top up. You can hear that it'll then spray out the tip. Specifically, we find people using them with chemicals for rinseless washes, wheel cleaning, iron removers, and even some people use it for a drying aid, though I don't know if I would recommend that personally. You might be asking, why would you pick one of these up as opposed to something like the solo sprayer where you don't have to pump at all? And there's a couple reasons. One, these come in much bigger sizes, so you can get them in a 1500, a 2000, 3000. Additionally, we find that these flow a lot more. So whereas the solo sprayer atomizes really well, these flow more chemicals out. Now, which one you should get depends on the application you're going to use it for. The two standard ones come in two different styles, the Master Ergo and then the Industry Ergo, and they vary on the pH that they can handle. So if you're going to use a not super strong chemical, you might want to go with the Master. If you're going to use a more harsh chemical, I'd probably recommend going with the Industry. The Axle specifically is a foamer, so we find a lot of people really enjoy this for things like brake buster. So there you have it. That's the Marolex sprayers. They're pretty simple. They're really high quality. We really enjoy them, and I think you'll enjoy them as well if you decide to pick some up, which you can at obsessedgarage.com. If you have any questions about these, let us know in the comments or email us at support@obsessedgarage.com.